What are carcinogens? Environmental factors and genetic wellness. Imagine a tiny agent that can quietly change the course of your health by damaging your cells. That's what carcinogens are, agents that can cause cancer by harming DNA. Carcinogens can be natural, like certain viruses or sunlight, or man-made, such as chemicals in tobacco smoke or industrial pollutants. When these agents enter the body, they can cause mutations in the DNA of cells. These mutations can lead to uncontrolled cell growth, which is the hallmark of cancer. There are three main types of carcinogens. Chemical carcinogens include substances like arsenic, formaldehyde, and asbestos. These chemicals often cause cancer after being processed in the body, which can produce DNA mutations. Physical carcinogens involve environmental factors like ultraviolet rays from the sun or ionizing radiation from X-rays or radioactive materials. These can directly damage DNA or cause cellular changes that lead to cancer. Biological carcinogens are viruses such as human papillomavirus, hepatitis B virus, and Epstein-Barr virus. These viruses interfere with normal cell functions and can trigger cancer development. Understanding carcinogens is especially important when thinking about hereditary health and genetic wellness. Some people inherit genetic variations that influence how their bodies respond to these harmful agents. For example, certain inherited mutations can impair DNA repair, making it harder for the body to fix damage caused by carcinogens. Others might have variations that affect how they metabolize or detoxify these agents, changing their risk levels. Family genetic testing can reveal these inherited risks, helping individuals make informed choices about exposure and health monitoring. Environmental factors and genetics often work together in complex ways. For instance, someone with a family history of cancer might be more sensitive to environmental carcinogens like tobacco smoke or excessive sun exposure. By reducing exposure to these agents, such as quitting smoking or using sun protection, they can lower their overall risk. Lifestyle choices like diet, alcohol consumption, and physical activity can also influence how carcinogens affect the body or how genes are expressed. Reducing cancer risk involves a mix of avoiding known carcinogens and supporting genetic health. This can mean staying away from tobacco products, limiting exposure to radiation, and avoiding harmful chemicals at work or in the environment. It also includes staying aware of family health history and considering genetic testing to identify inherited risks. Making healthy lifestyle choices, like eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly, can further help protect against the effects of environmental factors. By understanding what carcinogens are and how they interact with our genetic makeup, we can take smarter steps to stay healthier. Combining environmental awareness with genetic knowledge allows us to better manage our risk and support long-term well-being.